Look at this beautiful meal. Sometimes you don't need anything complicated to make something delicious. This is simple, tasty, and made with love. Let's enjoy this goodness. This is the kind of meal that makes you proud of yourself. Every bite is a reminder that homemade food doesn't have. Okay, so this is the ingredients we are going to use to make our dinner. Yeah, all the ingredients are set. We will just cut into desirable shape I want for my recipe. So if you are still here, please keep watching and let's do the doings. The vegetable is well cleaned and cut, so let's line up in the pan. Hallelujah, we give you glory. Hallelujah, we praise your name. Hallelujah, we give you mercy. Hallelujah, we praise your name. Bidainanka onsabi. Bidainanka we washasi. Nasende sema sebia. Irajime iwayo. Amyanka minsebi.
This is my carrot.
Amyanka me washasi.
Cauliflower. You can see. This is my beans here. My okra. I'm adding okra. Yeah. Very simple. This is diced carrot. This is my diced French beans. Fat, beef fat. So I'm adding my blended ingredients: tomatoes, onion, pepper, garlic. Garlic, green pepper, blended carrots. Tomatoes, yeah. So let's open the fire. It shock you. Keep watching. This is another blended ingredient: onion, garlic, ginger, rosemary, minced herbs. Yeah. So I'm adding water. I'm adding 1 beef stock. Spices, vegetable spices. This is minced curry powder, ginger powder. This is black pepper, black lemon, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and Maggi powder. I'm adding tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. It's freeze, yeah. Hey, if you don't know how to cook faster, easy and lazy style, you have to learn, because sometimes you feel like you are so lazy you can't do anything. Yeah. You see how I'm preparing my vegetable soup. I know this is not how you do it, but after you finish, you will see how it will be. Bread we are going to eat with our vegetable soup. Here's our bread. It's fresh, so the taste is good. It's a mixed brown bread, flaky one. Flake. Let's add bay leaf. That's a salt to taste good. diced green pepper. I'm adding butter so that it will start boiling with that. So I'm adding hot water here.
Do you know that good food brings pure joy, comfort, and rare happiness?
I did not add any oil because I have beef fat here. It will just give the taste instead of adding oil to make the food look. So sometimes it's not every day you have to eat oil. Yeah, I know some people, not some people, even me, sometimes when I'm cooking vegetable soup, I start with my oil, my onion. I start with that, sauteing the onion, stir fry onion sometimes before adding my tomatoes, and later I add my vegetables. But today I make all one in a pan or in my pot here. Yeah, the way it will taste good. Me, this I can't eat. Oh, I love cooking all this, but I can't eat. Yeah, I can't eat. So 20 minutes it will cook, then I'll close it. Yeah, so our soup is done. We are not making it overcooked. No, when vegetable is overcooked, it doesn't taste good. Yeah, so you don't want it to be too much overcooked. Then when it's overcooked, all the nutrients, the strength is gone. You don't want it like that. 20 minutes is done. Let me taste. Oh, no power. The taste is good. Wow. So I'm putting my bread here. This is how we are going to eat it. Our vegetable soup.
Honestly, look at how beautiful this turned out. The colors, the texture, and the presentation are giving me so much joy. When you cook with patience and love, even a simple recipe can become something special. Don't be afraid to try. Start with what you have. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. Every great cook started somewhere. This is the kind of meal that makes you proud of yourself. Every bite is a reminder that homemade food doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. I am loving how everything came out together delicious. Apostle Tapa. Okay, in this step, I use chicken stock to make this one. The first step was meat stock. Yeah. So this one is a very selective vegetables. The eggplant is too many and a few vegetables selected. In all, you are going to see the end of this recipe. This, if you have reached this step, please, thank you so much and God bless you. Keep watching, like, subscribe, and give me your comments. I love you. Bye bye.
This is black onion sauce, eh? See what I'm doing. Grandma face. This is dry bread, eh?
When upon life's beloves you a tempest tossed, when you are discouraged, thinking all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord had done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, name them one by one. And it will surprise you what the Lord has done. And there we have it, a beautiful homemade meal, prepared with love and enjoyed with happiness. Remember, keep cooking, keep learning, and never be afraid to try something new. Eat well, enjoy your food, and keep believing in yourself. Meje nyankopon, eja tumofo, sonya sasi, pofono mezo, opepu meri wono, ohuna manze, amani wo ponchot palitinsa,